Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our DMs, some tips, and our teammates. From here in the top right corner, we tap on the person icon like this, and then we find the view profile at the bottom. Then we tap on edit profile, and here at the top we find full name. We tap on that, and here we have one that is set after we create our account, but we can change it to whatever we want to. For example, see like this, and then we can just tap on save, and it's going to be changed. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.